Hello everyone, so how are you? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a AI generated QR codes. Yes, you have seen the QR codes like there's an image inside the QR codes and it is working. Yes. So how you can create it? Let's start it. If you have a Canva, if you don't have it, just sign up with your email ID and open the Canva. Okay. Now here you can see the home project template and there's another option named apps. Canva's apps which is connected with other applications. Here you will see an option hello Q art. You can see here generative beautiful artistic QR codes. Click there. Okay. Use in existing or use in new design. Click on new design. Custom size. I will select 2000 plus 2000. Create new design. It will open the page and what you have to do, just type the URL so the person can scan it and the URL will open. Okay. And then now here hello QR art and add a prompt what you want in the background. Okay, the following confident, like suppose I a falling, no, not falling always, green mountains with houses and trees. Okay, and I want to add a URL. I don't want to add. Let's check out what if life is a journey. Let's check this. What if I add a quote here or anything else? What it does? Click on generate QR. Okay, sit back as we bring your idea to life. So here I can see it creates a AI generated QR code. Create a QR code which has a mountain with the houses. You can see there's a house, there's a house, there's a window, house. Okay, so it creates a QR code like this. I want to change it. A transformer robot, red and blue. No, not the blue. Yellow. Let's take a yellow color. Standing on a desert. Standing in desert. In I think. Let's again generate it. So here, oh wow, it's so looks so cool. Here you can see a transformer, a character sketch like transformer. It's and you can see the colors. There's a blue color, there's a yellow color. Okay, so again I'm gonna try another thing like this. Okay, loin art, 3D animated LION loin, sitting under the pink tree. Click generate QR. QR. Let's see what it does. Now how you can save it, I want to show you that. Click on share button and click on download option. Okay, so here you will see the PNG suggested. Click on download option, the downloading will start. Okay, I also want to download to edit all these things in thumbnail. Here you can see there's a line. Wow, amazing, that's so beautiful. The line looks so real and it is 3D animated. I didn't find the pink tree, but there's something pink here, but the line is so perfect. There's a grass and there's a line. So you can also create these QR codes. I hope you like this. So thank you for watching this video. Share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel Carry On Techie. Thank you for watching this video again and again, and bye.